Hey guys, my name is Adam Roszek and I will be your host at this series of Unity3d and Magic Leap tutorials. The first episode will be all about the shader graph and Unity3d in Unity3d and Magic Leap. So I really hope that you will enjoy this episode. Please click subscribe and let's dive just right into it. Let's start with Magic Leap Package Manager. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have all the packages that are required in order to run the Unity and Magic Leap. So I have version 2.21 installed over here, and also I have a Unity 2019 installed as well. So what you need to do is to make what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have lightweight rendering pipeline installed over here, Magic Leap package installed, and what you will also need over here is the shader graph, which you probably already, which you are installing together with this lightweight rendering pipeline. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to also create a lightweight render pipeline asset that you will be using over here in the graphic build settings, and in order to enable the graphs and all the goodness from the lightweight render pipeline, you need to place this asset over here. Perfect. So let's now move to the shader graph. In order to create the shader that you will be able to use in the shader graph, you can use this option, and you can create the first lesson shader. In order to open it up, just click double time, and you can have this new window over here. Okay, so on Mac you can use the command in order to zoom, and you can also use the option button on the keyboard shortcut in order to move with 3 fingers on your touchpad. So over here you have basically the node for physical based rendering material with all properties that you would like to enter, that you would like to use. So what we're gonna do in this first episode, we're gonna create a simple sphere that has that's gonna show up over here in our scene view, and let's make the position over here to 0, 0, 0, and this one to -1. Let's create the sphere that's gonna just be floating in front of us when we'll put on a Magic Leap device. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Great. We have this sphere. In order to run the app on Magic Leap, we'll also want to change the background type to solid color black in order to have a nice effect inside the Unity. So inside Magic Leap. All right. In order to create the shader, we will start with just creating a new node. We'll start with the normal vector that will be basically a normal vector of the sphere that we'll be using here. And what we want to do is we want to connect this to the new node that we will call that's gonna multiply this object normal vector with the noise that we'll create over here. So we'll just be using this simple noise like that, and we'll just output the position over here, and basically that's it. But the problem is that UV map over here is kind of broken, so we need to fix that. In order to fix that, what we need to do is we need to add the position of the object to the UV map to the simple noise over here. Much better. Also, great, it looks really awesome. So now let's just make it a little bit bigger so we can see that, and we can actually build this into Unity, into Magic Leap, and see how it's gonna work. So let's just click the build and run, and let's see. It's fabulous. So now you can see that our first shader is up and running. And yeah, so that's about it for the first tutorial from the series of tutorials for Magic Leap and Unity 3D. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next episode. Take care, thanks.